Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Wombat Games, and today I'm going to show you episode 5 of the HTML series. Now, before we get into it, make sure to check out the other episodes in the series, the other videos, and also subscribe and turn on that bell so you won't miss another episode, and also follow my Instagram at wombat_games_YT to see my uploading schedule, behind the scenes footage, and all of that. Thank you for doing that, and let's get into it. So today I'll be providing an explanation into paragraphs and introducing this all new pre-element. So as you should all know by this stage, in a paragraph it only allows you more than one space. So if I click into my paragraph and say in the middle of please make sure to drop a like, I tab a couple times, save that and reload the page, it only adds one space to it. So that can sometimes be an issue. Like for example, if you are making a poem on your website, it would be impossible because it only works along one line, the paragraph system. That's why this pre-element is going to be introduced. It works like every other normal element. You can check it out in the Elements and Attributes video. But it works like any normal element. So you start off with pre, and it just preserves any spaces and line breaks in the code. So yeah, if we write, for example, say just copy and paste any code you want in. So I've got welcome to my channel Wombat Games, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So if we save this, reload it, you can see that it preserved the line breaks that I put in, and it still says it. However, HTML normally chooses a fixed width font, and which is normally Courier. So they just do that for some reason, but as you can see, this preserves all spaces and every line breaks. For example, if I just tab all this back in, save that and reload the page, as you can see the whole script has gone further in. Now, another thing, like I said, it works just like any other element. You can add tooltips, you can add font sizes, you can add colors. So let's kind of customize this a bit. So I might add a tooltip and say, this is my poem, which it isn't. Oh, sorry, can't spell. But yeah, let's just add that for now. Let's test it out quickly, because that's what we do. Yep, it says this is my poem. Now let's add a font size. So let's put style equals font size, add that. And we can do, for example, let's do 150%. Let's test this out. And let's reload the page. And as you can see, it is a little bigger and easier to understand. So, and last of all, you can add one last attribute if you want. You can add a color. So let's just go ahead and add that. Hang on just a second. Let's just go ahead and add the color. Let's set it to blue, shall we? Yeah. Let's set it to blue. And let's test this out. There, it's in a color blue. Now, let's test out to see if we can do a font family. I'm not sure if we are able to, but let's test it out, because that's what these tutorials are for. So if we make a font family, let's put Verdana, change it, let's see if it can change to Verdana. So we've done that, and oh, I think it has. Oh, so it can. So there you have it, guys. I know this was a short video, but it's very important in getting those little details to add to your website to make it the best they can be and stand out that much. So I hope you like this talk about paragraphs and the all new pre-element, which you can add attributes in, and it's very useful. So make sure to drop a like and hit the subscribe and notification bell so you know when the next video is going to go up on YouTube, so you never miss a video, and comment what you'd like to see next. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. And next time, I'll be showing you an in-depth tutorial in styles, so make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss this video, and like and comment what you want to see next. So thank you for watching, have a nice day, and I'll see you later.